Hello, welcome to Kanzi Masterclass. We've made linking Kanzi app with your design process workflow even easier with the Kanzi Figma Importer. I'll now run through the simple steps to access seamless content imports from Figma. First, open up your project in Kanzi, right-click on Kanzi Engine plugins, select Import Kanzi Engines, and browse to the Shapes plugin. This is required for the Figma Importer to work. Repeat this step, and this time choose the Figma Importer plugin. Now, to start the import process, choose Importer from the top menu. This will open up a window requesting the access token. You get the access token in Figma by clicking the Figma button, going to Help and Account, then Account Settings, and then choose Copy this token. Go back into Kanzi and paste the token, and also click Save to File. The project ID needs to be copied from Figma and is the highlighted text after /file. Copy and paste that, and then click Query. The plugin will now check what is different between the Kanzi and Figma projects. In this example, the importer is telling us there are some missing fonts. To import missing fonts, click this button and your browser should open with the fonts that you need. Select Get Font and then download all, and follow the process to install the fonts on your system. Now in Kanzi, click on File, then Import Fonts, select the missing fonts and click Import. Back in the Figma Importer, select the items that we want to include in the import and hit Import. One of the advantages of this powerful importer is that it will include a lot of the link tab and configuration between the different assets to make your workflow easier. Once the import has finished, close the Figma Importer window. You can now check in Figma what you would like to change in Kanzi. For example, let's look at the base EV components minimalistic V2 instance. In Kanzi, we can access the demo frame with all the different elements. We can adjust the text, for example, by accessing it in the prefabs. You can see the 68 in this field matches the 68 in the preview. Change to 74 and the preview will also update. Or, for another example, to change the active speedometer gauge, you can drag the setting and you'll see the speedometer gauge update to reflect your changes. And that's it, all you need to know to start using the Kanzi Figma Importer. Don't forget to check the other Kanzi Masterclass videos for more guides and tips on how to get the most from Kanzi.